Welcome to the Talk Toolbox. As a customer of Talk, you have access to a toolbox on the web page where you can send your messages. Go to talk.com and log in with your email address and password. After logging in, you will always start on the Send view. Type your message and add your recipients. Sending to multiple recipients is possible at the same time. Send your sensitive information by activating secure messaging and choose which option, EID or a one-time password, should the recipient use to log in and read your message. You can also combine your message with document signing. Choose which option the recipient should use to sign the document. You can also choose to show or hide personal ID in the signed file. You can attach files up to 10 MB. Attach documents for signing only in PDF and max 3.5 MB. You can also choose which format you want to use for your message. Plain text is used for regular text messages. Rich text is used for sending emails. Plain rich text is selected if you want to send a link SMS or send your customized message to both mobile numbers and email addresses. You can also have more advanced settings which can be applied for a particular message. Delete your message and start over if you're not happy with your message. Click on Send when you have finished your message. You can also choose to schedule your message by entering date and time where you want the message to be sent. You can save your message as a draft for future editing, or you can save it as a template for your future messages. Just enter the name and save.